जो एक्चुअली सीरियस कंसर्न है उनके ऊपर अगर सीएम फोकस करते विदाउट ऑफरिंग चाय तो शायद वो ज़्यादा ठीक रहता.
So I believe tea can be accepted, but not any compromise of the claim.
The doctors, they didn't fall into her trap, and they were very, very right in their decision to refuse her.
सिर्फ चाय में शायद बात ख़त्म नहीं होगी. अगर कुछ स्नैक्स वगैरह रहता शायद वो लोग मान भी जा सकते थे. पर ऑन द सीरियस नोट अगर जो एक्चुअली सीरियस कंसर्न है उनके ऊपर अगर सीएम फोकस करते विदाउट ऑफरिंग चाय तो शायद वो ज़्यादा ठीक रहता.
अरे वो उस दिन को तो उन्होंने ही सुबह आके डॉक्टर्स को सजेशन दिए थे कि कोई कुछ देने से नहीं पीने का, तो वो लोग नहीं पिए. वो दीदी समझ के उसका बात मान लिए, तो इसमें क्या दिक्कत है?
It is invitation to tea is immaterial. So the real issue is to be resolved as early as possible for general public and for the Tilottama who was brutally killed and raped in a government institution. So it is very sad. So as quick as possible this should be resolved. The tea break or tea is not the issue.
They have gone there for justice, not for drinking tea. How can a CM tell all these words? I'm very astonished.
The CM has invited the whole group for a tea. I believe I believe that as per the Bengali culture, the tea can be obviously accepted, but under no circumstances, the basic claim, whatever the doctors are making, that should not be compromised. In fact, they are against the whole system of corruption. The whole Bengalis, the whole West Bengal people are against that corruption, not against CM as a person or any culture. So I believe tea can be accepted, but not any compromise of the claim.
हमारा हिसाब से डॉक्टर लोग जो किए हैं सही किए हैं. वहाँ पे जाके अंडरस्टैंडिंग होने का कोई बात होने का था, इसलिए डॉक्टर लोग वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग में नहीं किए हैं. वो लोग का जो नीति है वो नीति पे रह गया, वो कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग में नहीं गया. वो लोग हर बार चाहते हैं कि जो बातचीत होगा लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग होगा, क्योंकि सारा दुनिया को ये पता होना चाहिए क्या बात चल रहा है. वो जो चाय पीना मतलब चाय पीना का वहाँ पे अंडरस्टैंडिंग होने का बात था. जैसे आप किसी को बुलाएंगे चाय पीने के लिए वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग में चला जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग में नहीं जाने के लिए वो लोग चाय में एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया चाय पीने का.
I think that the doctors, they took the right decision, because it's all our Mamata Banerjee, she always makes drama, and here it was her plan to create a division among the protesting doctors, and it is her tactics. And she offered the doctors to have a cup of tea with her, but the doctors, they didn't fall into her trap, and they were very, very right in their decision to refuse her.
Whatever they have done, whatever the junior doctors have done, that I found it extremely logical and legitimate. They did not go to the CM's office or CM's house residence, not for taking the tea. They have been doing their outrage, their demonstration with certain 5 issues. So that need to be redressed. That need to be taken with utmost judicious consideration. But what CM did was, I think it was an eyewash, and it was a sheer hypocrisy and nothing else. The main thing that CM should do is to give the utmost importance to the 5 points that they have been demanding for the last few days.